Now, student, these are some objects big and small. I will show you one by one. This is big ball. This is small ball. Okay. Now next. This is big mango. आपने खाया है ना मैंगो मैंगो के सीजन में यस दिस इज स्मॉल स्ट्रॉबेरी दिस इज कॉल्ड पोमोग्रेनेट डू यू नो पोमोग्रेनेट्स मीन दारिम जिसे आप बोलते हैं ना एंड दिस इज द फ्रूट ऑफ चीकू सो दिस इज स्मॉल चीकू and this is big pomegranate. Now again I will show you some object. This is big bowl. This is small bowl. This is big glass, small glass, and this is big glass. Okay student, now these are two plates. क्या ये two plates? Now you tell me which is big and which is small. This one big or small? Yes, very good. This is big plate. And this one small or big? This is small plate. Very good student. Now we are going to activity in Maths iMac book. So let's go. Student, this is iMac's Maths book. Okay. Now open the book. Page number 3. Comparing qualities. Big and small. Point to the object in each set. Say which object is big and which object is small. हमें क्या करना है? ये जो है ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए इनकी हमें क्या करना है कंपेयरिंग करना है कि उनकी क्वालिटीज़ देखनी है क्या देखना है विच इज़ बिग एंड विच इज़ स्मॉल यानी कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है उन्हें हमें कंपेयर करना है ओके सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज दिस इज कॉल्ड डू यू नो व्हाट इज दिस स्टूडेंट यस दिस इज एलिफेंट This is big elephant and this is small elephant. Okay. Now, second number picture is these are two boxes. One is big box and another is small box. These are two boards. क्या ये boards है which is big and which is small this is big board and this is small board these are two fish do you know yes now you tell me which is small and which is big this is yes this is small fish and this is big fish. Now these are two ball. Do you want to play with ball? Yes na? Yes. This is big ball and this is small ball. These are two dogs. This is big dog and this is small dog. Okay, student, now you understood big and small. Again I will show you some objects. Okay, so turn the page number 4. Spot big and small objects. Look at the pictures and follow the instructions. So what we have to do? We have to see this picture. Okay, पहले हमें pictures को देखना है. Which is big and which is small. Circle the big ball. So which is the big ball? This one or this one? Yes, this is big ball. Then what we have to do? We have to circle. Now, second number is circle the small apple. So these are 2 apples. Which is big and which is small? Red is big apple and green is small apple. So we have to circle 2 green small apple. Now, third picture. Circle the small jar. These are 2 jars. Okay. So we have to circle the small jar. छोटे जार को हमें क्या करना है? Circle करना है. So which is small? This one or this one? You tell me. Yes, very good. This one, small jar. So we have to circle. Now, circle the big lamp. These are 2 lamps. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to circle the big lamp. So which one is big? This one. So we have to circle. Now, next page, student. Page number 5. Match big and small objects. Match the small objects with the big objects by drawing lines. Okay. These are objects. What we have to do? We have to match only big and small. So, first picture is tub. This is called tub. So, this tub is small. So, where is the big tub? Here. So, we have to match both. Second picture is hat. Okay. So, where is the another hat? Here. So, this is big hat and this is small hat. So, we have to, what we have to do? We have to match. Now, third picture is gift box. This is called gift box. Okay. Now, where is the another box? Here. So, which is big and which is small, student? You say me. Yes, this is big box and another is small box. So, we have to match. Okay, student? Now, you also practice at home and search objects in your home, big and small, show to your parents, and you also do this activity, Maths IMAX book. Okay, and click the photo and send on the group. Till then, bye bye.